Usatine Media presents Minor Emergencies. Minor Emergencies is an app that will help you with all kinds of emergencies. As you look at the contents, you can see that it spans all of the organ systems: gastrointestinal, urologic, gynecologic, musculoskeletal, soft tissue, dermatologic, and at the top here, we're neurologic, ophthalmologic, ear, nose, and throat, oral, dental, and pulmonary. So all the systems are involved. You can look at the contents and go into a chapter, and within a section there are other divisions such as conjunctivitis here. The photographs are visible, and each has a legend. You can scroll through these photographs just by swiping. And here's an example of epidemic keratoconjunctivitis. And then you can go straight to the text for that area and learn more about what keratoconjunctivitis entails. There's a lot of information. You can scroll. You can also jump within a section. By hitting the jump, you can go to all different aspects. You can go straight to discussion if you would like. Hit done, and here we have a discussion about warm or cool compresses are soothing for all types of conjunctivitis, and about trying to avoid the neomycin for sensitization. So that is a single chapter. If you do have any issues with the size of the print, you can make the print larger, or you can go back to the smaller print like this. If you like this section and you want to highlight something here, you can start by highlighting. This is the highlight menu tool, so it actually shows you how you would add highlights, and they'll go through a tutorial on that. But since I know how to do this, we're going to just show you how you click on a word, hold it, and with this word you could actually copy, define, or go straight to highlight. But let's say we want to highlight a whole sentence here. When we hit highlight, we have choices of colors. We can make that a green highlight, and then we see that it's green. We can see if there's another section that we'd like to highlight, maybe something about the cobblestoning or allergic conjunctivitis. Once we hold here, we have our choice, and then we can drag this down and highlight this section here. Let's go right down to the base, right there at the end of the sentence. Or now we can go highlight, and let's try the red highlight to see how that looks. And it's really quite nice. You have these different colors for doing your highlighting, and we can also add a note if we wanted to the section. So let's say we want to say, great info, something like that. We can just say save, and then we have a note. And then if we like, we can also bookmark it to go back to that. Now we can bookmark text, or we can actually bookmark a photo. Let's say we want a good photo of allergic conjunctivitis that we would like to bookmark. We can go ahead and bookmark that. We can also make a note or change the font even when we're in the legends of a photo. So we have lots of options. And let's say we want to search on something. So I've already searched these before. So the recent searches, if we need to go back, we can just click epistaxis, and suddenly we have our search, which is giving a search that word appears in 27 different areas of the text. It also appears not in images, but in some of our searches it would happen. We'd have an image or a video. Now we could look at, say, the burn one. Let's go back to search. Let's do burn. And now you'll see besides 102 matches on the text, we do have an image result. And we won't always have a video, but those will be options too. We can also just go to video by going back to our contents. We can see which videos were done, and there's some very nice procedures that are explained with videos. And if we want, we can actually watch one of our videos. Let's say we want to watch a fishhook removal. We can start to watch it here by just clicking on this. It will turn so that we see it in a landscape mode.
A simple string technique for removing a fishhook. The way that can be done is by using a simple loop of fishing line or silk and placing it around your wrist, sliding it over the hook, and then positioning the hook pushing down on the hook to help disengage the barb, and then giving a sudden jerk on the string and pulling the hook out. This generally does not require anesthesia and can be done in the field.
So, very nice technique, and there are lots of great videos that will help you do all kinds of things. Looks like we've got 38 videos that are part of this app, and they are all embedded in the app so that you don't need internet to watch them. Now, we want to go back and look. We can see where our bookmarks are. We had bookmarks of text. We had bookmarks of images. We can go back and see where we wrote a note. We can go back and we can find our highlights. We can find all our highlights, or we can do it by color. So if you have a certain pattern that you want to create based on colors, you can do that. So there are amazing different ways to look at this. We can go back here. We want to learn more about the book itself. We can learn about the authors, one who just provided a video for us, and in addition, we can learn who developed the app. And since I'm Dr. Usatine speaking to you, I will show you that these are our developers, Peter Erickson, Dr. Usatine, and together we have created this for you, and it can be found at Usatine Media. And thank you for your attention, and hope that you find this useful.